Welcome to the Chic Show and the first edition of WOW Wednesday Organization Works, where I give you tips and tricks for organized living. If there's something that's out of control in your home, one way to help gain some control is pick one thing one day a week and work on that for organization. I've had several inquiries on my glue gun station that I made myself. This one is certainly a little worse for the wear. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I made it. First of all, you will need 4 tumbling tower blocks, 1 pencil cup, some popsicle sticks, 2 of these pallets from Dollar Tree, 1 Dollar Tree napkin holder, a candle cup, and 2 zip ties. You will also need the paint of your choice. First thing I'm going to do is use some wood glue to glue together the 4 tumbling tower blocks. This will provide a stand for our glue gun to rest on. Next, we need to attach these 2 pallets to each other, and we're going to do that using some wood glue and something like E6000 and popsicle sticks. I'm using wood glue to attach the 2 pieces together at first. Now I'm using popsicle sticks. I'm going to cut them down to fit across the width of the 2 pallets, and then we're going to use some E6000 type glue and glue that to the pallets. Now I'm going to glue this across that seam there so that it will provide more stability. Again, I'm going to be trimming down some popsicle sticks to go across the other way on the bottom of the pallets. I'm using 4, and I'm using the glue that you see here. Now I'm back to using the wood glue to attach these popsicle sticks across the bottom. I'm placing a book on top until it dries. Next, I'm taking the napkin holder outside and giving it a coat of spray paint. Everything else will get 2 coats of Waverly plaster. Once everything is dry, it's time to put it together. So I'm using 2 zip ties to strap the napkin holder to the pallets. I'm attaching them underneath the holder. I'm careful not to tighten them up too much before I get it adjusted and be sure that it's correct. Now I'll place the other things on top just to get an idea of where they will be glued. I'm using the silicone glue for everything else. I decided to customize my glue stand a little bit, so I used my Silhouette to cut out this decal. And for about $5, I have a customized glue gun station. Let me know in the comments below if you think that you'll make your own glue gun station. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Wednesday Organization Works.